Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master English Podcast, the place where you actually start speaking English, not just thinking about it. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Honestly, I've been waiting for today's episode because we're finally talking about something everyone cares about, even if they don't admit it.
Let me guess. Work stress? Or maybe relationships?
No, nothing that serious. We're talking about travel.
Ah, that's a good one. Traveling is one of the best ways to practice English because you're forced to speak.
Exactly. You can't just sit quietly. You need to ask questions, order things, and sometimes even solve problems.
And every place feels different. The people, the sounds, the food, it's an experience.
So let's start simple. Sarah, what kind of places do you like to visit?
I love beaches. Warm weather, blue water, and just relaxing. I could stay there for days. What about you?
I'm the opposite. I prefer big cities. I like noise, buildings, and exploring new streets.
That's interesting. I like cities too, but not for too long. They can get exhausting.
True, especially when everything is crowded.
Let me ask you something. What's the difference between saying I like traveling and I enjoy traveling?
Aren't they the same?
Almost, but I enjoy sounds a bit stronger and more natural in conversations. It feels more expressive.
So, I enjoy traveling sounds more confident?
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about planning. Do you plan everything before a trip?
Yes, I do. I like to book hotels, check locations, and make a schedule.
That sounds stressful. I prefer to just go and figure things out.
That's risky. What if you don't find a place to stay?
Then I learn the hard way.
All right, let's practice something useful. Imagine you're at the airport.
Role play time?
Yes, you're the airport staff. I'm the traveler. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket? Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
All right, your flight will depart at gate 12.
Thank you very much.
That's simple but powerful. Notice how polite language changes everything.
Yes, instead of saying, give me my ticket, you say, may I have my ticket?
Small change, big difference.
Now, let's talk about problems while traveling. Have you ever had a bad experience?
Of course. I once missed a flight because I was late.
That's not a small mistake.
Yeah, I had to buy a new ticket. Expensive lesson.
That's why planning matters.
What if you lose your luggage? What would you say?
You can say, excuse me, I think my luggage is missing.
Or, I can't find my bag.
Exactly. Keep it simple and clear.
Let's talk about feelings. How do you describe a great trip?
You can say, it was amazing, or I had a wonderful time.
And if it was bad?
It was disappointing, or it was stressful.
I like amazing. It feels stronger than just good.
Yeah, good is boring. Use better words.
What about being tired during travel?
You can say, I'm exhausted, instead of just, I'm tired.
That sounds more natural.
Let's not forget a common mistake. Many people say, I did a travel.
That's wrong.
Yes, you say, I traveled or I went on a trip.
Let's review quickly.
Talk about preferences. I like beaches or I enjoy cities.
Be polite. May I have, or can you help me?
Describe experiences. Amazing, stressful, disappointing.
And avoid mistakes like I did a travel.
If you're still listening, comment travel and tell us your dream destination.
Let's see who actually listens till the end.
So, Daniel, where are you going next?
Somewhere busy. Maybe a huge city again.
No surprise.
That's all for today. Keep practicing, don't overthink, and actually use English.
Exactly. Speaking is the only way to improve.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.